Hey, it's Ben Murray here, and I'm going to be honest with you. You're not being told the whole truth. There's a reason why you're not getting enough opt-ins. There's a reason why your visitors aren't buying. And there's a reason why your bounce rate is so high, why it seems so difficult to generate traffic cheaply. And I'm sorry, but you're not going to get the answer in some blog post, another training course, or even a coaching call. In fact, even your favorite analytics tools won't tell you the real reason you can't get anyone to buy from you. So for the next few minutes, I strongly advise you to shut off all distractions, because I'm about to reveal the real reason your website isn't converting like you hoped it would, and the secret weapon to turn any website, even a dead one, into a sales-getting machine. So look, I know how frustrating it is. You found your niche, you have an awesome offer, you're sending targeted traffic, you've done everything that you're supposed to do, but your bounce rate is through the roof, your opt-ins are limp, your sales are flatlining, and you set up Google Analytics to find out what's going wrong. But the problem is, Google Analytics is not telling you the whole truth. Sure, it might tell you where your visitors came from and where they're going on your website, but it doesn't show you why they're not taking action. Google Analytics does not show you which buttons, links, images, and opt-in forms your visitors are drawn to, which ones they're avoiding. It does not show you what's distracting your visitors from taking action. It does not show you where to place your opt-in forms, buy buttons, advertising, and share buttons to get the maximum amount of clicks. And it does not show you how far people are scrolling down your sales page and when they're dropping off. Now you might be thinking, that's what split testing tools are for, right? Wrong. I hate to say it, but split testing sucks too. Why? Because you're just stabbing in the dark. I mean, there could be dozens, maybe hundreds of things to test. If you're only running Google Analytics and split testing tools, you're basically blindfolded. But what if you could rip off that blindfold, stop guessing, and finally see why your visitors aren't converting? Well, now you can with Stream. The first cost-effective behavior monitoring conversion software that reveals the hidden reasons your visitors aren't converting, so you know exactly what you need to do to turn your website into a list-building machine. The Wordpress plugin that installs in seconds and anonymously tracks your visitors' mouse movements and scrolling patterns in real time that you can replay and watch, showing you what your visitors' eyes, fingers, and cursors are drawn to on the page and what they're forgetting. And with this information, you can make profitable changes, turn your traffic into sales, and be able to buy more ads and generate more traffic far easier. It's as easy as 3 steps to start making money. First, install the software on your site. It gives you detailed stats on all your pages and content and will automatically start recording video spy sessions of your visitors. Next, you can watch the video spy sessions by drilling down to specific content or simply clicking on the DOM Streams link to see a list of all the recent video recordings. You can search by any content you want at any time or at any date quickly. And finally, just hit play. You'll be taken to the page where you can watch the replay exactly of what your visitor did while on your site. So that's not me moving the mouse around, but a recording of what a specific visitor was doing on my page. See a hotspot where your visitors are drawn to? And simply move your most important content, forms, links, and buttons into these hotspots and watch your clicks, reads, shares, and opt-ins and sales go through the roof. With Google Analytics, you can see how visitors got to your page, but with Stream, now you can see why they didn't opt in, why they didn't buy, and why they left your site and know precisely what to fix instantly. You can also analyze your top pages, feeds, entry pages, and exit pages to uncover the content your visitors are looking for and the bottlenecks that are making them leave. And here's something else you should know. Well, unlike a lot of marketers, I actually use it for my own business. Now this isn't another traffic loophole or conversion hack, shiny object software, one rooted in concrete proof for myself and many users. In fact, I recently used it on a website and marketing campaign for a Kindle software that, according to other analytics softwares, was dead. It was simply an offer that nobody wanted. After a few video spy sessions, however, I noticed visitors were scrolling past the headline, but then leaving when they got to the buy button. I simply changed the pricing around, and guess what? The website made $8,855 in sales in just one weekend and on autopilot. And in another experiment, I ran a struggling blog that wasn't getting any new subscribers despite lots of traffic being run to it. I'd almost given up on the blog until through videos and heat maps that users were getting distracted by social links and content links on my sidebar. After eliminating them and putting them on a page after users opted in and installing opt-ins in the content, I actually boosted my opt-in rate by 234% in just 3 days. This is the same technology that's allowed me to run ultra-high converting campaigns and generate sales revenue like this continuously. You won't be able to generate that type of traffic and make that amount of sales with all these Me Too conversion tools that everyone else is using. So the question is, how much money are you leaving on the table? This is the same video behavior technology giant companies like Walmart are using to crush small businesses like yours online. But you won't have to pay $300 or more per month like they have to pay. In fact, there are 0 monthly costs or contracts. Yep, that's right, you pay once and profit for life. And you're getting unlimited bandwidth too, which means that you can record as many visitor sessions as you like. No restrictions, and doesn't harm or slow down your site. So the question is, can you afford to stay blindfolded? Because right now, you're blowing money and wasting time on traffic that's not converting. Can you afford to let that money keep slipping away? And do you really want to spend years building your list and creating a profitable website the hard and slow way? Imagine being able to double your opt-in rate and sales with one small change to your website today. Well, that could be a few extra clients, sales, or commissions each day. Would that extra cash be worthwhile for you? Well, I have something very special for you. So for an extremely limited time, you can get access to the developer's license. This is a special offer only for the first handful of buyers for Is That Serious marketing tool, and it's going to be but you need to hurry. And here's why. Don't leave this to chance. Grab your license right now before the price increases. So go ahead right now, click the Buy Now button, and I'll see you on the other side.